Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain to your Shopify. So if you already bought your domain on some domain registry company like Namecheap, GoDaddy, Hostinger, and many others, if you already done that, that's great. Then you're going to go to that. For example, for this video I'm just going to use Namecheap, and you're going to go to your domain, and now on Shopify, you're going to click settings right here at the bottom left corner. And now when you are here on the settings, you're going to click domains right here. And as you can see, there's primary domain for your Shopify store. But what you want to do is, of course, connect a domain. So you're just going to click connect domain, and you're going to enter the domain. So for this video, we're going to use the one from Namecheap. So I'm just going to write it down here and then going to click next. Now, as you can see, you need to follow the instructions. And after that, you're going to need to verify your domain. There's a lot of records which we need to add. So we need to add some records to our domain. So you're going to go back to, for example, Namecheap, and you're going to click advanced DNS. And here you need to add records. So I'm just going to delete the ones I already added and add a new record. So for now, we need a record, and we need to point it to this. And let's click Save Changes. And let's not forget to put this ETA. Now you go back and you take the AAA record, put in this, and again, you're gonna put in ETA symbol. Add a new record. Let's add it here. Now let's go back and take the CNAME record and put this one with a www host. So let's choose this one, target, and save changes. So that's what you do. I believe this is the end, and now you need to verify the connection. As you can see, for now, as you can see, the connection is now okay and everything is pending. But that's basically how you connect your domain. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.